Hello, thanks for visiting DXkeys training page. Over the next few moments, you have the opportunity to view video that could, quite literally, change your career life. I'm talking about the opportunity that I'm now presenting you, with which to become the next digital transformation hero. Are you feeling stuck, tired, or frustrated, trying to get real knowledge and experience in digital transformation area? Maybe you have spent tons of cash on courses, programs, tools, maybe even coaching. And yet, you are still not seeing results. I know how you feel, because this was my life for years. Struggling to find something that will touch your goals without losing here and there. Today, I know the huge miss is here. After years of hacking away at digital transformation career path and getting nowhere fast, I stumbled across, or perhaps I should say, the ultimate, simple, and direct way to be the next digital transformation hero. Say hello to one of the easiest, fastest, and genuinely realistic digital transformation academy, the DXkeys Academy. The first in the region to deliver a very unique and special digital transformation training courses, programs, and global accredited certifications, with affordable cost to anyone wishing to become the next digital transformation hero. Our ultimate goal is to support, help, and empower dreamers to achieve their goals. What if we just did all the hard work for you? What if you get a clear digital transformation learning roadmap, which is unique and special for you? What if we told you the best hacks that we use to start being the next real digital transformation hero? And with small money investment, full support from real digital transformation experts, free access to enormous digital transformation training courses and events. Would that help? Sure, it will help individuals to enhance their career and level up on today's in-demand skills. It will help companies build a value-oriented staff, increase their competitive advantage in the marketplace. It will help universities and academic centers to cultivate the capacity building of their staff and students, and make them ready to marketplace. Now, it is your real opportunity to master your part and become the next real digital transformation hero. Wait us, and take care. See you inside soon.